Hi, I'm George Woodbury from College of the Sequoias in Visalia, California, and in this video we're going to find the equation of a parabola whose vertex is at the origin. So in problem 8, we know the vertex is at the origin and the focus is at 0, 5 fourths. So if I think about just a quick sketch of this graph, the vertex is at the origin, 0, 0, and then the focus is up here at 0, 5 fourths. That really helps me a lot because if I know the focus, I can figure out what P is. And I know that since the focus is above, it's going to open upward. And so that means that I've got an equation of the form x squared equals 4py. P is 5 fourths. So if I substitute that in for P, I get x squared equals 4 times 5 fourths y. Simplifying, that's simply x squared equals 5y. So that's the equation that has a vertex at the origin and a focus at 5 fourths. Let's try one more. Write an equation of a parabola with vertex at the origin, a horizontal axis of symmetry. So we know that it opens left or right. And by the way, there should probably be a comma here. The axis of symmetry doesn't pass through that point, but the parabola does. The parabola passes through 18,3. So I'm going to start with another real quick sketch. 0, 0. The point 18,3 would be 18 units to the right and up 3, something like that. So if this point is the vertex, there's only one way that that graph can go, and it's something like this. So it opens to the right. That helps me a little bit because now I know that it's going to be of this form, y squared equals 4px. I also know, because it opens to the right, that that value of p should be positive. So what can I do to figure out what P is? Because I don't know the focus or the directrix, but I do know a point on the graph. I know that when x is 18, y is 3. I can substitute those values in for x and y. That will let me solve for P. So put in 3 for y equals 4p times 18 for x. 9 equals 72p. Divide over the 72, 1/8 equals P. So I can bring that back to that equation and put in 1/8 for P there, and that's going to give me the equation of the parabola. Y squared equals 4 times 1/8 x. 4 times 1/8 is 4/8 or 1/2. Y squared equals 1/2 x is the equation of this parabola. Now, if we should check it with our 2 points that we know. If I plug in 0 for x and y, obviously 0 equals 0. That's good. Does it work with the 18 and the 3? If I put in the 3 for y and the 18 for x, is that a true statement? It is. 3 squared is 9 and half of 18 is 9. Both sides are equal. So we found the equation that works for both of those points. All right, that's it for this one. In the next video, we're going to do similar things, except the vertex is not going to be at the origin.